Hi everyone, we are ready for our next step to our infinity card project. And you're going to get a set of these tracers for your table. You have this infinity symbol, or sometimes people call it a lazy number 8 because it's laying on its side, a triangle, a star, and a box. These shapes, we'll talk more about it, but they are for taking some calming breaths. The infinity, we would start in the center. You would inhale by tracing your finger, and then you'd exhale it out here. These are all different ways to help calm yourself. Box breathing with the square, so you inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. The same thing for the other two shapes, except they're different shapes. Inhale, exhale, all the way around the star, and then here again with the triangle. So we're going to set these aside, and then you're going to get your infinity card that you put together last week. Now, I have already jumped ahead, and I have traced my shapes onto my card. So I start with the star. And all you do is you trace that shape with a pencil, and then you open up and you trace your next shape. I used the square. Now this one has the lines on it, so you also want to take your eraser and erase those guidelines that we made on the first day. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then I did my triangle, same thing here. After I trace it, I'm going to go ahead and erase those lines. Be sure you hold the paper steady because it's easy to go too quickly and then tear your paper. And then the last one I did was the infinity, and I have no lines here. But when you do get to the infinity shape, you are going to add some extra lines of your own. You're going to trace another infinity symbol on the inside. So now it looks like a little path. And I'm going to do that over here. And I'm kind of going quick. That last line was a little wobbly, but that's okay. All right. After you're done with that, we're going to come back to where we began. And you may have noticed earlier that I put my name kind of small right up in the corner. That's what I want you to do because we are going to be adding some artwork to these shapes. But we have a little bit of a worksheet to do, and I'll talk about that in class.